WANT has developed over 70 different taxonomies addressing all domains of knowledge. Taxonomies covering topics like accounting, environmental, information technology, workplace health and safety, and as you can see, many more. Today we're going to take a brief look at our lumber manufacturing and forestry management taxonomy, which includes metadata models that will address the domains of knowledge relevant to your lumber manufacturing or forestry management documents. The download, delivery, and access to our taxonomies takes place on our WANT Taxonomy Library portal. Each of our clients gets a username and a passcode. Once logged in, you'll be able to go to the taxonomy library and we're interested in the lumber manufacturing and forestry management taxonomy. What we can do is explore the various taxonomy terms by drilling down this tree. Association and organizations, certification programs, damage, distribution. By clicking on this, we can drill into forest management, forest maintenance, harvesting, converting, felling, harvest cutting, clear cutting, cut types, seed tree cutting. We are able to now download, say, just the forest management branch of this taxonomy. Simply highlight the selected branch, click on Delivery, select Branch, and then we need to select the target application from this dropdown. Once selected, we will create the delivery, and in just a few seconds the delivery will be ready in our Deliveries tab. This file can then be downloaded directly to our desktop and then imported into your application of choice. It's just that simple. We have a massive library of taxonomies for you to browse, download, and use. Make sure to come back to the library portal often to see our taxonomy updates and import newly added terms into your environment.